another video for you here today, and this one's going to be all about creating your own wall decor and shelf decor. In the next couple weeks, I'm going to be decorating my guest bathroom. I want to make my own decor for this bathroom, so I figured this is the perfect time to try out a lot of those Pinterest decor trends that I've been seeing everywhere lately. So let me show you my take on these really pretty decor trends, and let's see how they turn out. Obviously, I couldn't make a video about viral Pinterest decor trends without including plaster art. So I picked up a couple of wooden canvases from the dollar store, just in 2 different sizes. I've got one large one, one small one, and I'm going to be doing 2 different takes on plaster art. Of course, I'll need some plaster for this, and I've got my putty knife. You could probably get all of these tools from the dollar store. They usually have like cheap tools if ever you need them. And I've got this little guy over here. I don't know why the name of this is slipping my mind right now. I can't figure it out for the life of me. Ooh, totally forgot what this is called. Cement. Anyways, it's just got these little teeth on top, which will help me make some nice designs in my plaster art. I kind of debated whether I should do it on the inside or the outside, because I figured if I do it on the inside, it's basically already framed. But I have a feeling that the plaster is gonna get messy. So I'll just keep that in mind for next time I wanna paint something. So if I want to paint something and just have a nice wooden frame around it already, I could just pick up one of these and paint on the inside instead. So I'm going to start with the big one over here. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of plaster over here and then smooth it on with the plaster knife and just go in all different directions. And I want the plaster to sort of create these lines because I want that texture. That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, little trick if your plaster is really hard or old. I'm pretty sure this plaster has been in my house for like the last 2 years, and even before that I think somebody gave it to us, so God knows how long they had it for. Just mix a little bit of water into it. You really don't need a lot. You can just mix it up and it'll loosen it right up, so it'll be a lot easier to work with. And it's a serious arm workout. I'm just going to take my putty knife over here and I'm going to use that to just scrape off any of the plaster that might have gotten on the edges. That's pretty much it for this one. I'm going to leave this guy to dry, and once it's dry I'm going to come back in with some paint and just add a little bit more dimension to it. For this art piece, I wanted a bit of an ombre effect, so I just have my ruler here to mark where I want the taupe color to end, and then as I go along, I mix in more and more white paint to kind of feather out that taupe color towards the bottom. Don't ask me why I'm using the world's smallest paintbrush. This is the only one I could find at the time, but still worked out, just took a little bit longer. So how lovely did this turn out? It's going to be so pretty with some wooden elements, maybe a vase and a little plant next to it. I can totally see why this went viral because it's basically impossible to mess up. Moving on to my next piece of plaster art, this one is going to be super simple. I'm just going to take my putty knife again and put some plaster on this canvas. I'm just going to pack it on and smooth it out. This guy right here, and like I said, it has little teeth, so this is going to be used to make my design, and I'm just going to make a simple rainbow pattern with this. Literally just gonna take it in the shape of a rainbow. So easy. The good part about this is if you do mess up, just smooth it over and try again. My little plaster painting has dried and it looks really cute. Look at that. It was actually so easy to make. Now all I'm going to do is take some black paint and paint the edges just to finish it off nicely. Alright, so this is going to be another fun one. I had this little bowl that I got from the dollar store. It was just a silver bowl with some cute handles, and I thought the shape was really cute, so I spray painted it white. And now what I want to do is I wanted to have, like, you know, a sort of uneven black paint splattered design on it. Kind of terrazzo inspired, but not really terrazzo, I guess. I'm going to take my black paint. So in here I just put some black paint and I diluted it with the tiniest bit of water so that I can splash the paint onto the little bowl. I also painted the handles with some black baking soda paint to finish off the look, and it looks amazing. Definitely giving me Kate Spade vibes. So this one is going to be super easy. I have 3 little tea light holders and I'm going to turn these into one tall candle holder instead because I've always liked the tall look instead of the shorter tea lights. So I'm just going to take some hot glue and glue them together right on top of each other. And then of course I'm going to go in with some spray paint because the silver is not exactly my favorite color, and neither was this gold paint that I chose. I can never find a gold paint that I actually like. I feel like I've gone through so many and I have bottles and bottles of gold spray paint that I'm not a fan of just sitting there that I'll probably never use. Anyways, I just went over this again with some black spray paint and I liked it much better once I did that, and here's the final product. Alright, so obviously this video would not be complete without one of these. So I got 2 bowls from the dollar store. I think this one was $4 and this one was $2, so $6 in total. And I'm literally just going to take the smaller one, put it upside down, get the bigger one over here, and glue it on top with some hot glue. I'm using Gorilla hot glue, which so far has proved me that it's pretty strong, but still I'd probably, whenever I'm carrying it, carry it from the bottom just in case. Okay, so once this guy is all set, I'm gonna go in with some baking soda paint just to make it look like it's all part of the same piece. So I'm just gonna take this paint over here. This is the folk art linen color. Mix in the tiniest bit of white. Of course, baking soda. I really want just a little bit of baking soda because I don't want it to be too grainy, but I just want it to have that nice textured effect. So I'm just gonna put like tiniest little bit and then I'm gonna mix it up. I just want to add a little bit more detail to this, make it a little bit more unique. And to do that, I'm going to take some black paint and I'm just going to have an abstract streak of black paint on this nice little vase. I love the added black detail on this. It really ties the piece together. Absolutely loving this one. So this vase is probably going to be way too big to fit in the bathroom, so that's not going to be a bathroom decor piece, but I figured I'd include it anyways because it is pretty much a viral Pinterest decor trend. But I do still want something kind of like similar in style in the bathroom. I think it's cute to have something like maybe a little bit on a pedestal. I thought I'd incorporate something similar just on a smaller scale for the actual bathroom project. I have this wooden plate. I got a set of 4 from HomeSense, so I just took one out of that set and I'm going to use this for this little project. So I had these little terracotta vases also. These came from the dollar store and I just spray painted one of them black. And essentially, I'm just gonna glue it on. It's just easier to have this upside down so that you can find the center easily. And I'm just gonna hold that down and that's it, there you have it. A cute little, I guess, like decor tray stand? Decor stand? I don't know what to call it, but it'll be very cute. How cute did these turn out? They're adorable, they're easy to make, and honestly I did all of these in the span of one afternoon. So if I can do all this, so can you, and just let me know if you do end up trying them out. Leave me a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you'll see my next video where I actually use some of these decor items to decorate my guest bathroom. Alright, bye guys, see you next time.